today we are going to be making a creamy Nigerian style ice cream using custard. Okay, we are going to be making a delicious ice cream using this custard. Let's get started. I'm going to be adding a cup of custard to our bowl. I'm going to add water. Just like the way you prepare your regular custard for breakfast. Okay. Dissolve it properly until it's loose. Allow your water to boil, then you make the custard boil and then cool a little so it doesn't get lumps. So this is the consistency. Okay, have our, this is carnation milk, evaporated milk. We have condensed milk, half of it, because it's too sweet. Okay, we don't want it overly sweet. Our vanilla extract. So look at that creamy goodness. Okay, we are going to tie it. Okay, you can do it as popsicle, but I'm going to be using a plastic bag to tie it. Our ice cream is all tied. Now it's time to freeze it. We are going to freeze it until it's frozen. All right. Yesterday we made ice cream. Look at that. Custard, Nigerian custard ice cream. I made it late, so I left it overnight until it's frozen but soft. Okay, it's very creamy and delicious. I hope you try it. Please subscribe, share, comment, and I will see you once again in my next video. Bye, and God bless you.